What's up, Blockheads? So I've been trying to find some time to record this video, but man, between work and everything, I cannot find the time. Usually for product videos, I like to be in the garage, unboxing it, telling you guys about it, going over the fine details, but that video will come. This is not that video. This video is basically to let patrons know that in addition to the Blockhead Bike Build and giving away a Grom in the beginning of September, we're going to be running the block box at the same time, and in that block box, the prize is awesome. What is the prize, you ask? Hey, that's a good question, guys. The prize, like I said, it's awesome. So previously, I kind of canceled the block box while the Blockhead Bike Build was going on because I didn't want the level of the block box to, you know, go downhill. And because of that, because I'm able to only send the Honda Grom that I'm giving away in the beginning of September to the contiguous 48 United States, I basically discontinued the block box for the time being, and it was going to be kind of in between Blockhead Bike Builds. Well, doing that cut out all of the international patrons, and it turns out there's quite a few of you guys, and I greatly appreciate y'all's international support. For all you domestic patrons, I appreciate your domestic support. Oh yeah, right here with Aaron. Oh yeah. Dead Senna? Boo. Yeah, his Senna's dead. Go charge that thing, damn it. So yeah, basically when I posted up that news saying that international patrons were cut out, lots of you spoke up saying that, you know, you'd want to continue to show support, and you said, why don't you run the block box at the same time? Well, you know, I had thought about that, but like I said, I didn't want the level of it to suffer because the Blockhead Bike Build was going on at the same time. But I reached out to a sponsor, a company that I've previously worked with quite a bit on the channel, and I was basically asked them if they would be interested in sponsoring the next block box. And I had an idea for what item I wanted it to be, and so they said, hell yeah, that they'd love to join and sponsor, and so they did. So big shout out to Get Lowered. If you guys watch this channel, you've watched install videos and stuff like that, you more than likely know who Get Lowered Cycles is. They're a company that's helped the channel quite a bit, shown the channel a lot of love, shown the Blockhead crew a lot of love. Always appreciate their enthusiasm to give back to the community. So big shout out to Get Lowered. So Get Lowered sponsoring the block box that I'm going to be giving away in the beginning of September. And you're asking with yourself, what is that item? Well, that item is a brand new Shoei RF-SR helmet. There is a product review coming out for it on my channel here very soon, possibly after this video. I don't know, we'll see. Need to film it. Get Lowered came on board. I basically talked to him, kind of what the idea of the block box was, saying that I wanted applicable towards, you know, all motorcycle riders. So, you know, the GoPro, you know, any motorcycle rider could use that. The Senna, any motorcycle rider could use that. And so a helmet, you know, every motorcycle rider needs a helmet. So we basically went straight to the top of the line, went with the Shoei because the Shoei is a helmet that I absolutely love. So previously I had a Shoei RF-1200, which, like, seriously, out of all the helmets that I've owned, and I've owned a good amount of helmets, I absolutely loved it. You know, I ended up wrecking on my Grom with that helmet, and I sent it in to be inspected by Shoei. They inspected it, sent it back, said that the helmet was compromised. I said, damn it. So I basically had to retire my Shoei RF-1200. I was already looking into getting another Shoei, but whenever I bought the RF-1200, it was more for me riding whenever I had my CBR. So it was more for like a sport bike position, you know, you're more lean forward like this. And so the brow, or not the brow, but the opening was up a little more so that you weren't seeing the brow as much whenever you lean forward. The RF-SR is almost like the equivalent of the RF-1200, but it's for upright riding. So basically like when you're on a cruiser or anything besides a sport bike. Your field of view is a lot better, and it's Shoei quality. It is Snell rated. They've got all sorts of colors and stuff to choose from. Now I went ahead and I got gloss black, like I always do, because gloss black is awesome. But whoever we select, I don't know what size helmet you wear, and I don't know what color you want, so whenever you win it, you're gonna pick it, and we're gonna ship it to you. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys more information on that here in just a second. Aaron and I are up here at Orlando Harley, check out some parts. He's changing out his bars, and yeah, gonna hit up the parts counter, but we will be right back. Man, check that shit out. New decal. That is not a vinyl decal, it's a metal decal. That looks good, man. Looks good.
It's perfect. I got the quarters. It's good. Everything.
Yeah. Let me know how it stands up.
I will. I'm sure it won't. I'm sure nothing's gonna happen to it.
Yeah. All right, brother. Catch you later, man. Yeah, that's not a vinyl decal. That's a metal decal. Pretty crazy. It's like a brushed gold aluminum. Just a little thing that we're experimenting with on this behind the scenes vinyl thing that I'm not going to tell you guys anything about. I've already said too much. Anyways, so where did I leave off? The block box. It's going on at the same time as the Blockhead Bike Build. Basically going to be giving away a Grom as well as a Shoei helmet RF-SR at the beginning of September. Yeah, if you guys are interested in joining, join up at Patreon at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. For every $1 you pledge, it's basically like throwing in your name for the possibility to be selected. Kind of a way of me giving back to the community that decides to give me so many opportunities. Just feels right. So anyways, yeah, basically whenever I do that drawing, it's going to be for a Shoei RF-SR. Like I said, I don't know who the person that's going to be selected is, and so whenever I do randomly select somebody for that, I'm going to reach out to them, you know, get in touch, ask them what size they wear and what color they want, and we will have it shipped out to you from Get Lowered Cycles. Like I said earlier, out of the numerous helmets that I've worn, Shoei is by far one of my favorite. I've got a couple others that I really like. So, I mean, the one I'm wearing right now is a you know, the Senna Momentum INC, and I've been wearing this helmet for a little bit, and I've grown to like it. But yeah, I've got a Shoei RF-SR that I'm going to be outfitting for motovlogging, and I'm going to be wearing that one a bit as well. And after, you know, having tried it on and all that stuff, you know, it fits like a Shoei fits, and man, it is amazing. If you guys haven't worn a Shoei before and ridden, I highly recommend them. I need to do a follow-up helmet review for that the RF-1200. Side note, the block box, I think I already said it, but it is open to international patrons. So just the rules regarding that, you know, the whole reason we're doing the block box still is so that we can continue to involve, you know, the international patrons. So just know that I greatly appreciate you guys, and I'm glad that I was able to work something out with you know, a sponsor and continue the block box, you know, keep it going. Pretty awesome. So international patrons will be eligible for the block box, but international patrons will unfortunately not be eligible for the Blockhead Bike Build. So like I said, I can't send it out of the contiguous continental 48 United States, not continental 49. Unfortunately, it does not include Alaska, even though it is on the same continent. Sorry, Alaska blockheads. Anyways, so that's the announcement, guys. Like I said, I will be coming out with a review, with a first look video of the Shoei RF-SR here very soon. Once again, big thanks to Get Lowered Cycles. I'm sure you guys have heard of them, but if you haven't, y'all be sure to go check them out. They've got anything and everything that you need, from, you know, bike parts to, you know, gear that you wear, gloves and helmets, and like I said, anything and everything. So go check them out, getlowered.com. Big thanks to them once again. Hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. I hope you guys are excited about the news. Another awesome freaking item to give back to the community, man. It's freaking crazy, giving away a motorcycle and a freaking awesome helmet. Snell rated, top of the line, handcrafted Shoei RF-SR Hell yeah. If you have any questions, be sure to post them up down in the comments below, and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. Be sure to see the links down below as well, so that you know, there's a video basically going over the block box and becoming a patron and like all the kind of rules regarding that. If after you guys watch that, if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Like I said, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and we'll catch you guys later. Deuces. Can't speed up, not in a turn with this bike. That rear tire will go. Just brapping him. All right, later guys.